get paid for every download. For example, the website I'm going to show you where you can upload a simple file, you're going to share the link, people are going to click the link and download the document, and you get paid for that. Every 1000 views you can get paid around $20. Now the payout rate is depend on each website and each countries. It's differ a little bit, but what you can do is upload the same file into this website, share it, and you get paid for every download. This is not a passive income, this is not an affiliate marketing, but this is an additional way to earn some extra cash every single month, guys. So I'm going to walk you through how you can get this document for free and those websites where you can upload it and share it, guys. And watch the video until the end. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share. If you really like this video, leave a like on the bottom of the video, and in the comments write me what topic you want me to cover in the future, guys. So for example, what you have to do is you have to go to a website like IDPLR or PLR website where you can download PLR ebooks for free. There's a link in the description. If you click and you download it, sign in for IDPLR, you can get this 200 free ebook for free. So there's a link in the description, go and check it out. Or if you don't want that, you can go to a website like Killer PLR Article where you can get PLR articles. You can convert them into PDF and you can share it with the people, guys. All you have to do is after you download this ebook, or if you convert this article into PDF, you have to upload it on Google Drive. On here, after you upload it on Google Drive, you can able to get a shareable link, because the websites I'm going to show you, it'll allow you to upload file on themselves, or some of the website will ask you to submit a link. There's two ways. You can upload this file directly to this website, or you can share a link from Google Drive, guys. So I can walk you through step by step, and you continue to watch the video until the end, guys. I'm going to show you 8 websites where you can upload these files and get paid, guys. The number one website is called $upload, that you can say upload your file and make the cash. Basically this website allows you to upload a file on themselves. So you have to all you have to do is create a free account with it, upload the file which is PDF. They will give you a shareable shortened link that you can share with all the social medias and forums on your website, and you get paid for that, guys. So the number one website is called $upload.com. The second website is called upload.com, that you can see this website pay you different amount for different download, that you can see up to Taiwan countries you get paid around $7. If you have a larger file, you get paid a larger amount of money. This side a little bit complicated, but other sides are straightforward. Number 3 is called FileNet, that you can see up to now over 33,000 over 330,000 files shared, and this is of over 50 million downloads. You can see this is the download today, and this amount of money will be given to those members, guys. Now this website is called file4.net. Number 4 is called dailyupload.net, that you can see you can get paid around $16 for 1000 downloads. Like I said before, guys, this website allows you to only pay money if you get 1000 downloads or 1000 views. It depends on the website. Some website allow you to pay you money for 1000 views or 1000 clicks. Some of the website are going to pay you money for 1000 download, guys. That you can see you can get paid around $16 for 1000 download. And you can see this is the file. Another website is called upload-4 ever.com. I put all the link in the video, you can check it out. Again, you can see you can straight away upload these files and you can share it and you get paid for that. You can see also you can refer people and you can get a referral earning from this website, guys. Another website is called rapidgetter.com. It's the same thing. You can upload the file, it's safe and secure. You can share it with your friends and your fan page on your social media. When they click and download it, you get paid for that, guys. Number 7 is called indieshare.org, and the final one is x.io. This x.io need a URLs. You can't upload a file directly to this website. All you have to do is you upload the file into Google Drive, get the shareable link, put it on here, get a shortened version and share it with your friends and fan page, guys. I'm going to show you how you can share it. What you can do is you can go to, for example, if you go to IDPLR and you download a book on, say for example, YouTube advertisement or vitamin deficient. This is an ebook on vitamin D deficient, right? What you have to do is you're going to find in a blog articles or a forum or blog, people are writing about vitamin D deficiency. All you have to do, you have to comment on that section, say I lucky to find these articles or the blog, I learned a lot from it. Again, I have a PDF on vitamin deficiency. It's helpful, guys, and you can upload this ebook onto one of these website. Get the share up link. You can say put that link on your comment, so when other people started to comment on the blog post or the forum, they will see your comment, they will click the link, they will download the ebook, you get paid for that. And remember this, when you commenting on this blog post or forum, you need to give value for that author. You don't just put the link on them, they will block it. Just leave a comment, 1 or 2 sentences, then put your link on that, guys. Again, some of the social media allow this link to publish, some of them don't, so some of the website links won't work, so check it out. If these links are not working, don't use that website, only use the website is allowed on those social media, guys. So I hope you understand this video. This is another way to make some side income every single day. Actually, you can get through PayPal. All you have to do is download this free ebook, share it with your upload it to this website, and share the shortened link. When they download it, you get paid for that, guys. I hope you understand this video. It's a simple and short videos. Click a like button on the bottom of the video. Again, if you want me to make videos in certain topic, leave me that in comment section. I'll be working on KDP videos from step by step, at least 6-7 videos on that course. It's completely free. I upload it on my YouTube account every single day. So if you want to get notified for that, subscribe and press the bell icon and click all, so you get notified when I release those videos, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.